Bentley Continental GT has always been the perfect blend of British elegance and brute power. It's a car that turns heads at a Beverly Hills valet stand, but can also tear down a highway like a Grand Tourer should. But here's the twist. The 2026 Bentley Continental GT isn't just another refresh. It's smarter, faster, and even more luxurious. Today on Gearvibe, we're taking a first look at Bentley's latest evolution of their iconic coupe. The Continental GT has long been Bentley's backbone, competing with the Aston Martin DB12, Porsche 911 Turbo S, and even some entry-level Ferraris. But Bentley plays a different game. The Continental GT isn't about being the lightest or fastest, it's about being a luxury performance coupe that can crush long road trips in absolute comfort while still delivering exhilarating performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Continental GT ditches its legendary W12 engine. Why? Bentley is moving toward electrification. Instead, the lineup now starts with a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with a mild hybrid system. And for those who crave more, a plug-in hybrid V8 pushes output to around 782 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 738 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to launch this luxury heavyweight from 0 to 60 in about 3.2 seconds. Not bad for a Grand Tourer that also pampers you like a 5-star suite. No one buys a Bentley for its fuel economy, but the hybrid assist changes the game. Expect around 20 mpg combined for the V8 hybrid, and even better range when using electric-only mode on the plug-in hybrid, perfect for city cruising in silence. Driving the Continental GT has always been special, and the 2026 model takes refinement up a notch. With adaptive all-wheel drive, rear-wheel steering, and Bentley's signature Dynamic Ride suspension, the car feels planted yet supple. Want to push it on a canyon road? It's agile and responsive. Want to cruise down Route 66? It soaks up miles with effortless grace. At first glance, the Continental GT looks familiar, but Bentley has sharpened its lines. A wider grille, slimmer matrix LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic silhouette make it look sportier without losing its stately charm. The rear gets redesigned taillights and a subtle lip spoiler, reminding everyone this isn't just luxury, it's performance luxury. Pricing in the US is expected to start around $250,000 for the base V8 and climb past $300,000 for the plug-in hybrid. And of course, with Bentley's Mulliner customization program, sky's the limit. Want your initials stitched into the seats or a custom paint inspired by your favorite suit? Bentley says yes. Let's be honest, no one's hitching a trailer to a Bentley coupe, but if you must know, it can tow a small load rated around 2,000 pounds. Still, this car is more about grand touring than towing boats. Inside, Bentley blends tradition with cutting-edge tech. The highlight? The rotating display. At the push of a button, the 12.3-inch touchscreen flips away, revealing either classic analog gauges or a seamless wood veneer. You also get wireless Apple CarPlay, premium Naim audio, and advanced driver assist systems that make long drives both safe and stress-free. Step inside and it feels like entering a private jet cabin. Diamond-quilted leather seats, handcrafted veneers, and customizable mood lighting create a cocoon of luxury. The front seats come with heating, cooling, and massage functions. The rear seats? More symbolic, but still comfortable enough for shorter trips. It's a 2+2 coupe, but one with unmatched elegance. Grand Tourings need space for luggage, and the Continental GT delivers with about 12 cubic feet of trunk space, enough for weekend bags or golf clubs, exactly what Bentley owners expect. So, what's the verdict? The Bentley Continental GT 2026 stays true to its DNA, a car that blends world-class craftsmanship with thrilling performance. But with electrified powertrains and sharper design, it feels more future-ready than ever. This isn't just a luxury coupe, it's a statement of style, speed, and sophistication. If you enjoyed this first look at Bentley's updated Continental GT, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Gearvibe, and drop a comment. Would you pick the Continental GT over an Aston Martin or Porsche? Let us know below.